My name is Jillian, and this is Jillian Camps Arizona, and today we're unboxing the Odyse sleeping bag liner. I bought just a cheap sleeping bag liner that I've actually used in Grand Canyon before. I borrowed this one from a friend. So I bought one for myself because I loved it, and it's both warm and cool. It's mostly nice and cool, you know what I mean, for the summer. But it's also a sleeping bag liner, so it does provide some warmth if you need to climb inside of it. It's like a sheet, you know, just kind of reflects your heat back at you. So I bought one of these. I'm going to take this with me to the Grand Canyon. Does not weigh that much. It's actually awesome. So let's see. It says portable and lightweight, breathable, silky fabric, two-way zipper, draw cord hood, quick drying, clip accessory, antimicrobial protection, keeps your liner fresh and odor free. Doesn't say how much it weighs, but I know that it's lightweight. It's super lightweight, which is, yeah, I mean, it's super nice. You know, we're just going to do a quick unboxing of this. As per usual, it's just stuffed in this cylinder. That's all it is. It just says that it's 220 centimeters by 87 centimeters. I don't know how big that is. Anyways, I don't know how much it weighs either. I wish they would say. I'll have to put that down here, the weight. And I'm sorry the sun is at a weird angle. It's, you know, clipping me, and I have to stand out here for you guys. Anyways, sleeping bag liner. See, this is it. It's just a lightweight liner. It's very nice too. I love it. Look at how nice this fabric is. Woo. See? And it's both warm and cool. Look, it's almost like a sock. Look at how big it is. Look at how windy it is. Anyways, isn't this nice? And then all you gotta do is fold it back up and stuff it back into this little stuff sack, and away you go. Comes with a mini carabiner to clip onto your backpack. Sorry about all the noise. I don't, they're like yelling constantly down there. Anyways, so look at how exciting this is. It's huge. It's the size of a, it's 70 inches, I think, you know, which is like the regular size, quote unquote. You know what I mean? So in order to put this back into the bag, all we have to do is fold it into thirds, is what I'd highly recommend. And folding it into thirds is kind of impossible, but I wonder if we can just try and stuff it back in here like a magic trick, you know? Let's see. You just stuff it back in, you know? Let's see what happens if we do that. Stuff, stuff, stuff. Nice. I like that it's got Velcro and a zipper as well, which is nice, you know? Oh, doesn't look like we'll be able to fit all of it. Anyways, look at how close we are now. I bet if I squish it in, I can. Keep pressing it so close. Look at it. Yes! Then cinch it close. Hurry! Before it pops out. Yeah, we did it! Anyways, the easier way to put this back in this little tiny bag is to fold it into thirds. You know, the usual way. And then look, you have a mini carabiner to clip it to the outside of your bag if you want or need. Anyways, I appreciate you guys coming to all these unboxings. It's exciting, you know? I know it just seems like filler video, but guess what? We have to unbox all this cool new gear before we use it, you know? So thank you for coming with me on this Jillian Camps Arizona video. Feel free to thumbs up this content if you liked it and you want to see more like it. Also, if you're not currently following me and you want to follow me around, feel free to hit that subscribe button below, or you can like my page on Facebook or on Instagram. That's at Jillian Camps Arizona. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Look at how cool it is.